In this video, we talk about how to make money in the stock market, beginner's guide to smart investing. So, want to start investing but don't know where to begin? Today, I'll show you how to make money in the stock market, even if you're a complete beginner. Stay till the end for my bonus pro tips. Before we start, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for weekly wealth hacks. So let's start the video by understanding stocks. What is the stock market? Think of the stock market as a place where people buy and sell shares of companies. If a company does well, its share price increases, and you make money. If it does badly, the share price drops, and you lose money. Why investing is better than saving? Let's say you put $10,000 in a savings account today. After 1 year, with a 4% interest rate, you'll have $10,400. But if you invested that same $10,000 in the stock market wisely, it could grow to $15,000 or even $20,000 over time. Example of growth. If you had invested $10,000 in Infosys or TCS 10 years ago, today it would be worth $1.5 lakh or more. The power of investing beats inflation and makes your money work for you. Let's go with step-by-step guide to investing. Step 1. Open a DMAT trading account. To invest in stocks, you need a DMAT account. Some of the best platforms are Zerodha, Upstocks, Angel One, and Grow. Choose one, complete your KYC, and you're ready to invest. Step 2. Set a budget investment goal. Always invest money you won't need immediately. For beginners, start with $5,000 to $10,000 and aim for long-term growth. Step 3. Choose between trading. Short-term buying and selling for quick profits, high risk, high reward. Investing. Holding stocks for long-term growth, safe, steady returns. If you're just starting out, focus on long-term investing. Short-term trading requires a lot of experience and knowledge. Now, how to pick winning stocks. Fundamental analysis. How to check if a stock is strong. Look at revenue, profit, and future growth. Check debt levels. Lower is better. Management quality. Is the CEO and team experienced? Technical analysis. When to buy, sell. Use indicators like moving averages, RSI, relative strength index, and volume trends to understand market movements. Example of a strong stock right now. One stock that looks promising right now is ethanol stocks. It has a strong financial position and is expected to grow in the next few years. At last, I suggest some pro tips for smart investing. 1. Don't put all your money in one stock. Diversify your portfolio. Invest in different sectors like tech, banking, pharma, and FMCG. 2. Avoid these common mistakes. Investing without research. Buying stocks just because someone told you to. Panic selling during market crashes. 3. Best investment strategy for beginners. Follow the SIP, Systematic Investment Plan strategy. Invest a fixed amount in stocks or mutual funds every month. This reduces risk and builds wealth steadily. 4. Long-term versus short-term investing. If you want stable returns, invest for the long term, 5 to 10 years. If you're ready for high risk and fast action, then intraday and swing trading might be for you. So, are you ready to start your investment journey? If yes, type, "I'm ready," in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and share this with your friends who want to make money from the stock market. Thank you.